Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create stunning golden tags in CapCut. So if you want your tags to look luxurious, maybe cinematics and absolutely golden, here this is how you can do it on CapCut mobile. So you can start by clicking on new video and choose the background. So here I'm going to just use the black color for the background and add tags. Just write your tags in here. For example, I'm going to just go with golden. You can choose the phone that you prefer. Okay, I'm going to go with this darken phone and just go with white. I think I'm going to adjust the spacing here. Okay, now click on export at the top. Go back and here delete the tags and add the projects that you've just exported. Like this. And now click on overlay, add overlay, and add this golden background in here. I'm going to rotate it first, just like this, until it, and adjust the size until it cover all of the text. Okay, for example, like this. Go to splice and choose the darken options. Hit on a check icon as just like that. Now the text will become gold like this. So guys, that's how you can easily create a golden text in CapCut. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.